Welcome to this Microsoft Word tutorial where we will explore a simple yet effective method to convert numbers into text format without the need for complex macros or coding. Whether you are a seasoned Word user or a beginner, this technique will empower you to transform numeric data into text. By the end of this tutorial, you will be equipped with a valuable skill that can save you time and streamline your document processing. Let's dive in and discover the power of converting numbers into text right within Microsoft Word. So this is the number that I want to convert into text. So first of all, I am going to write this number. Then I will select this number. After selecting this number, I will press Ctrl F9. I will write equal in the start, and at the end of this number I will write the backslash and then asterisk sign, and I will write card text. After this I will right click and select the update field. You can see that the number format is changed from numbers to the text. Similarly, for the second number, again I will write the number. First I will select this number, then I will press Ctrl F9. I will write equal at the start, and at the end of this number I will write backslash, then asterisk sign, and then I will write card text, and then right click on this and select the update field. So the number is changed into the text. Similarly, I can do it for any numbers. Similarly, I can do this for the third number as well. So you have seen that the method that I have explained to you is very easy, and it is a matter of seconds to convert any number into text format. Thank you for watching these Microsoft Word tutorials on converting numbers into text format without macros or coding. We hope you found this technique useful and applicable to your everyday document task. By utilizing this method, you can save time and efforts while creating more polished and reader-friendly content. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful Word tips and tricks. Stay tuned for future tutorials as we continue to empower you with valuable skills to enhance your productivity and proficiency in Microsoft Word. Happy document processing!